Welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you how to make this super cute star-shaped trinket dish. I uploaded a version of this tutorial a year ago when I was still quite new to crochet and video making, so I've improved the pattern and filmed some more clear instructions. If videos are not your thing and you'd rather read and follow a written pattern, then you can find the PDF version on my Etsy or Ko-fi. You can use any type of yarn to make this dish, but I highly recommend you use cotton, and that's simply because it holds the shape of the star a lot better than other yarns. I used DK weight and a 4.5mm hook. You'll also need a tapestry needle, a stitch marker, and a pair of scissors. To start, we're going to make a magic ring. Once you have made your magic ring, you need to chain 1. And then for the first round, we're going to be doing 10 single crochets into the ring. To single crochet, insert your hook into the ring, wrap it around and pull your yarn back through, then yarn over and pull through both loops on your hook. Then just repeat this 9 more times. Once you have completed your 10th single crochet, pull the yarn at the back to tighten the ring, and this is where we're going to add the stitch marker. Just insert it into the last stitch that you did, and this will mark the last stitch of every round. For round 2, we're going to increase all the way around. To increase, all you need to do is 2 single crochets in 1 stitch. Once you've done this 10 times, you should have a total of 20 stitches. Once we get to the last stitch, we take out the stitch marker, complete the stitch, and then put it back in. Here my ring came a bit loose, so I just pulled the yarn at the back again. For round 3, we're going to be doing 1 single crochet followed by 1 increase in the next stitch. And after doing that all the way around, you should have 30 stitches. This is how mine looked after completing row 3. For row 4, we're going to be doing 2 single crochets followed by 1 increase, and you should end up with 40 stitches. For row 5, we're going to be doing 7 single crochets followed by 1 increase. You should end up with 45 stitches, and it's very important that you have all 45 because in the next round we will be making the points of the star. To make a point of the star, we're going to do a 13 stitch repeat, which we will do 5 times to get all the points of the star. First, we're going to do 1 single crochet, 1 half double crochet in the next stitch. To do that, wrap the yarn around your hook, insert it into the stitch, wrap round again and pull through, then yarn over and pull through all 3 stitches. 1 double crochet in the next stitch, yarn over and insert your hook into the stitch, wrap the yarn and pull through, yarn over and pull through 2 stitches on your hook, then yarn over again and pull through the remaining 2. We're going to be doing 2 treble crochets into the next stitch. Wrap your yarn around your hook twice, insert your hook into the stitch, grab the yarn and pull it back through, yarn over and pull through 2 stitches, yarn over and pull through 2 more, then yarn over and pull through the last 2. Now you need to do another treble crochet into the same stitch. For the next stitch, you need to do 3 treble crochets. Another 2 treble crochets into the next stitch. For the next stitch, we're going to do 1 double crochet, next is 1 half double crochet, and finally we're going to do 1 single crochet in the next stitch. And that is 1 fully completed point of the star. You need to just repeat that same pattern 4 more times. After you finish round 6, it should be looking like this. And for the final 3 rows, all you need to do is single crochet all the way around. If you finish these rows and you feel like the dish isn't deep enough, then all you need to do is add more rows of single crochet until it's as tall as you want. Once you finish those rows, we're going to finish off the piece, and to do that you just need to cut the yarn and pull it through the last loop on your hook. Now we need to get our tapestry needle and weave in both of the ends. We're going to start with the yarn end that's at the last stitch that we did, and we're going to skip 1 stitch and then insert it into the next one for a cleaner finish. And after that, weave it in. Once you have weaved in both of your yarn ends, we need to block it. If you've never done it before, then there are plenty of videos and tutorials out there explaining how to do it, but you basically just need to get the piece really wet, then squeeze out all of the water, then leave it to dry in the shape that you want it to be. And once it's fully dry, your dish is complete. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. If you did make it, I would love to see, so make sure you tag me on Instagram at Nocturne Knitting. And make sure that you subscribe so you don't miss another free pattern. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.